Hello, welcome to our tutorial. In this tutorial we will see how to perform arch modeling in Multimodeler software. For this aim, let's import our data from an XLSX file here, archguard series.xlsx, and we have series for arch and gauge modeling. In order to open the arch panel, we just need to click on the arch button in the toolbar here, like this, and the arch modeling panel is opened. In the left hand side, we need to select the series which we will model, and in the right hand side we enter the arch model parameters. Basically we have two options. The first one is manually entering the arch degree here in this entry box, or an automatic selection of the arch degree here up to, for example, 5. If we select the automatic selection of the degree, the software will calculate all the models up to this maximum leg and then select the best model according to the automatic leg selection criterion, which may be Akaike information criterion or Bayesian information criterion. And we can also select the residual distribution from this combo box and then select the Luyung box leg selection from this combo box, and we can also include mean using this checkbox here. Let's model the arch series, for example using the degree of 3. We just need to select 3 here and click on the Run Arch Modeling button. And now the software has calculated the arch model. Here we have the parameters, alpha parameters, the arch model equation here, parameter constraints, AIC and BIC values for information, the Luyung box Q stat and P values, volatility statistics, other statistical tables, and finally we have the data table which shows the conditional volatility and variance in tabular format. In the next step we have the returns and volatility plots dependent on the data index here, returns and conditional volatility. In the next step we have the absolute value of returns and the conditional volatility plots on the same axis. And in the last step we have arch model forecasting functionality. For example, we can set here the forecast horizon as 1, which means we will forecast one value, and just click on the Run Arch Model Forecast button here. And as you can see, the arch model is used using these coefficients, and the conditional volatility and conditional variance is calculated for a future data point. We also have the forecast plot here. We can just click on this plot, right click and select open in new window, and we can increase the size of the plot here. In this plot we have the conditional volatility and conditional variance of the arch model denoted by the blue and green data points respectively, and finally we have red and yellow data points which are the forecast values for the future conditional volatility and conditional variance. We can also save the conditional volatility sigma and conditional variance sigma squared values in the workspace by just clicking on this button here, and the arch conditional volatility and conditional variance series are generated in the workspace, and we can just save the workspace to an XLSX file for future processing or investigation. Thanks for joining our tutorial.